Attorney, you've been called crazy by some sectors.
Not I'm too bright for them. That's why they say I'm crazy. What do you mean I'm crazy? You know, crazy people go out in public without clothes. Those are the crazy people. Kayo crazy? And then when I wear clothes and I wear nice things, you say, yabang naman ito. Huwag nyo ako kakantihin kasi I have nothing to gain from all of this. Huwag nyo akong kalabanin ang tao na hindi nagnakaw, walang kailangan sa inyo. I mean, I'm crazy. I wrote 10 books. I have an article in the United Nations on the laws of violence against women in the Philippines. My book's Anti-Sexual Harassment Act is in the libraries of, listen carefully, people, Harvard, Stanford, UC Berkeley, and the National Library of Australia. Kayo, anong sinulat nyo na nailagay sa Harvard? You think I'm crazy? Crazy pa ako niyan, ha? Can you imagine kung hindi ako crazy?